Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are up at the factory for the premiere of the brand new 2025 Salem lineup. So this one right here is the new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 26ICE. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside and outside of this beautiful new look and show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new redesigned 2025 Salem 26ICE travel trailer here. As you can see, if you've been checking out the Salem products over the last couple years, this is a whole new look for them. So you have new wood colors, new floor colors, new furniture colors. Just a beautiful new look on the Salem product here. As you see it on the floor plan that was up, this is a bunkhouse one slide out trailer. We're going to actually start up here in the front, then we're going to kind of work our way to the back for you here. So, new bedroom design here. You do still have the Versa tilt bed. So this will go up, giving you about 14 more inches of room here at the foot of your bed area. There is still some storage down below. You have some overhead cabinet space there to stash some of your goodies. And then over here on this side, you're going to have hanging closet over here. And you have some storage space down below, little laundry hamper thing there. The blinds here in this area are the new kind of bamboo looking shade, a nice roller shade here. Your Versa tilt bed control over here, light switch. There's TV hookups right there, so you could mount your TV to that wall area if you wanted to. You do have sliding pocket door here, or sliding door. And over here, you're gonna have another closet area. So you got a little heat duct down there, and then quite a bit of room here to do some hanging or just kind of setting some stuff in there. Back in behind this section, you got a couple little shelves over there and USB charger port, electric outlets and stuff. And then over here, you're gonna have more shelf space, and they even made a little step up right here. So if you do have the little dog or something and you want it to be up into your bed area, they can climb up there a little bit easier and get in and out of your bed. Window on each side again does open. You got a couple HVAC ducts in here. It is a Coleman ducted AC. They went to a new HVAC system to produce air a little bit better, the airflow. Stepping back out into your living room and kitchen area here. Over here again, we have this slide. This is a 12-volt powered slide. You'll see us close this up here at the end. Now there is some storage underneath the jackknife sofa here. This sofa will flip down and make into a bed, so you could sleep an extra guest or two here. And it's currently in lounge mode, but this back right here will flip off and hook over here, making a booth that will seat 4 people pretty comfortably. There is some storage underneath of that as well. So again, you got some extra room there to stash some of your goodies. You'll notice the large windows on the back side here, those open. And then this really cool little arch LED light strip set up there. Looking up top, you can obviously see a whole new light system for the Salem. So they have these bar lights. Those are on a dimmer switch as well, so you can dim those down. Got a couple speakers in here. Check this out over here, your little entertainment area. So you have an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. And then you got room there to mount your TV, and your wiring would go back in through here. And then you have this cool little setup here for hidden storage. You feed your wires down, plug up things, hook up your wiring and things, but you would mount your TV to this swing door, and then it gives you all this extra hidden storage back in here. This is super cool. A lot of room in here. Huge pantry. You're going to have the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt refrigerator here. This has become very popular in the RV industry in the last couple years, but you basically have your freezer on top and your refrigerator on bottom. And again, it is 12 volt powered. Now down here, you're going to have the convection microwave. So you can cook electronically or microwave, either one. So that's pretty cool. And then you're going to have on top a 3-burner gas stove top with the flip up and down glass lid. So that lid kind of acts as a backsplash when you're cooking, but also when it's down, it gives you a little more counter space when you're not cooking. Obviously, you can see there's a huge window right there overlooking the awning and door side area right there. So if you're in here cooking, or if you're in here just kind of lounging to cool off on a hot day, but the kids are out there playing, you still have a nice large view overlooking that area to keep an eye on them. Nice little shelf space up top there as well. There is a little vent fan up here. You have some storage underneath your sink area. Not a lot, but a decent amount. And then over here, you're going to have 2 drawers that pull out from this section. You also have a large undermount sink here, high-rise sprayer faucet. And then over on this side, you have 2 really deep drawers for like your pots and pans and stuff that kind of go back underneath of there, if you want to use it for that. Some people like to throw their pots and pans underneath the dinette table. They do break down here. Again, you kind of seen this up at the beginning of the video, but they have these nice little sales things that they put in their RVs. So when you're out on the dealer's lot, you can kind of get a rough idea of the basic specs of the RV. You're going to have some controls here we'll go over at the end of the video when we come back in to close it up. Over here, you're going to have an electric box with some breakers and fuses down there. You also have 2 bunks. I like how they rounded off the corners and stuff, so you're less likely to hurt yourself there. And then you also have a big window back there, works as an emergency exit window. You have USB charger port with also a USB-C as well. AC duct up here, individual curtains for the kids. Still got those USB ports down here as well. Over here, you're going to have your on-demand water heater controls, electric outlet, and you do have a really nice mirror. Notice that mirror, the way they arch that around and everything, just kind of going with that whole theme. Back here, you got your foot flush toilet. There is a step-in shower. So that is kind of a little tub, actually. It's probably, I'd say, close to 10 to 12 inches deep. So if you do have a small child, you could probably give them a bath in there. ABS tub surround, skylight up above, little vent fan up above, and here you have an actual pocket door that slides out. But overall, a very, very cool new look for the all-new 2025 Salem 26ICE. All right, now we're going to step back outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV, then we're going to come back in and close it up for you. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Salem Cruise Lite 26ICE travel trailer here. So we're going to get started on the door side, kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, you have a whole new look to the outside. So they have gone to a tough coat metal. So a little different look on the outside of the metal. All new graphics package as well. You can also see the little bar lights that are on here. You do have pass-through storage across the front section here. Power awning, LED light strip up there as well. It's got that bar light look to it again, just like the ones down below. You have heavy-duty scissor jacks standard on the RV. Over here, you're going to have your furnace exhaust. You're going to have your water fill. You're also going to have your electric outlet and a cable outlet, so you could put a TV outside here if you wanted to. You still have that heavy-duty MorRyde step here, rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet. Deep tint safety glass windows. Large folding grab handle there. You got the little mini fridge back here, some storage. There's a gas line hookup right here. You also have hot and cold low point water drains down there. Let's see if we could squeeze around here to the back a little bit so you can check this out better. This is going to have on the back side prepping for a Furrion rear observation camera right there. That's a cool little safety feature you should consider adding to the RV. Talk with your salesperson about that for sure. Spare tire mount and cover back here. The on-demand water heater right there. Black tank flush also located back here. Your dump area, one of your two dump areas. This thing does have two different dump areas, but one of them's right here. So you have a gray and a black handle right here. You're also going to have your city water inlet, and you have detachable 30 amp power cord here as well, and the cable inlet right there also. Up top there, you're going to have a prep for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. So that is a telescoping ladder you can buy aftermarket and use to get up and down, on and off your roof to check it out. Slide out again, you'll see us close this up here shortly, but this is prepped for Soul Air slide toppers. So you can put a cover over top of it that rolls in and out with the slide. It helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff, and just makes camping a little more enjoyable because you don't have to worry about as much headaches of things getting up there and tearing up your RV. Second dump located right down here. And then over here, we're going to have the other side of the storage compartment. Magnetic holder to hold it up. You can see that little laundry hamper basket thing there, little net for it. And then right here we have some real important informational stickers. So this one's called the production date sticker. So for example, this RV, one of the first 2025s that they built, was built on 6/10 of 24. Again, model number 26ICE. You have a gross vehicle weight of 7,785 pounds. And you got your VIN number and stuff there as well. You got a tire sticker here, 205 75R 14D range tires with a 65 PSI. And you also have right here your unloaded vehicle weight sticker telling us it's 6,322 pounds the way it sits. And it was 32 feet 9 inches long. But overall, a very, very cool new look for the Salem. So you do have that nice rolled front metal and a lower metal skirting as well. You also have two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, room for one battery, maybe two, depending on the size of the battery back there. You're going to have your heavy-duty safety chains, power tongue jack with a light and manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. But overall, again, a very, very new, refreshing, cool look that Salem needed and has done. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Do you like the new look? And also, we're going to bounce right back inside here. I want to show you what this thing looks like closed so you know how it's going to travel down the road. All right, we are now back up inside the brand new 2025 Salem 26ICE travel trailer here. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it actually looks like closed up. So when you are ready to close things up, you're going to come back in here to your control panel. You got your slide out button here to bring it in and out. Your awning button again. You got that light switch on off with the dimmer for your lights. You're going to have awning button, some accent lighting, water pump switch, and your holding tank reader. It's also pre-wired for solar if you want to do solar. And then you got your Bluetooth connectivity here. So back to what we came in here for on this part. We are going to run this thing in. When you close it up, just push a button. This thing comes pretty much straight in and straight out. It is a 12-volt powered slide system. As you can see, you can kind of squeeze through here a little bit if you have to, kind of stepping around the edging and going right on over. And then when you're ready to go back out, all you're going to do, hit the button and take it straight back out. As always, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind helping out my channel. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. Thanks again.